In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to forward domain on the Namecheap website. So the first thing that you would like to do, of course, is just go and open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually using Brave, but of course, in your case, you can use any other browser could be possibly working for you. Once you open that browser, make sure to go and open or go into this URL section and simply type Namecheap to open their website. Of course, you will find yourself with this home screen or this main screen, which is the main screen of the Namecheap website. Of course, here, if you have an account, make sure to click at the sign in option. You'll find it instead of this my account here. And if you don't have an account, you'll find at the right of it an option to create an account. Choose whatever of them if you have an account login into it, but if you don't, just go and create one. Of course, there is no like fast way as like create your account with Google or something like that. And once you do that, you will find yourself on the dashboard of your account once you're logged in or created your account. As we said, we would like to forward our domain on the Namecheap. So if you want to do that, we simply have to go into this domain list on the left panel right here, and then just locate the domain name that you would like to forward the domain of it. Once you locate it, click on manage. For me, I have just one here. And once you click at manage, this page should appear for you. Here, make sure to go into this advanced DNS tab. And once you're here, make sure to look for the health records, which is the second option. Of course, here you would like to, of course, once you find us, you'll be able to add a new record. Make sure to choose this URL, redirect record, and make sure to do whatever you want with the forward option. Of course, you will have to fill this host and destination URL to be forwarded into it once you click on it. Of course, make sure to change even this to unmasked or permanent if you want, or even masked. And once you finish, make sure to save all the changes and you'll be good to go. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.